Did you know that Google's Gmail can be transformed into a powerful email marketing platform? Imagine leveraging the power of Gmail's SMTP server for seamless and secure marketing campaigns. Hold on, because we're about to show you how. Gmail SMTP configuration is the game changer you never knew you needed. By configuring smtp.gmail.com with the right ports, you unlock a robust and reliable marketing service at your fingertips. Keep watching to discover how simple this setup can be. Choosing the right tools. Two stand-up options are Gmail and Yam. Gmail offers advanced personalization and analytics integrated right into Gmail, while Yam allows you to send personalized emails directly from Google Sheets. Tracking and analytics is your key to growth. Understand your campaign performance through open rates, click-through rates, and more. Integrate tools like Google Analytics for comprehensive insights into your engagement. Don't compromise on deliverability. Optimize your setup with authentication via SPF, DKIM, and DMARC protocols. Protect your domain reputation and ensure your emails land in the inbox, not the spam folder. Ready to transform your email strategy? By integrating these methods, you'll set the stage for email marketing success, all within the comfort and familiarity of your Google workspace. Finally, keep testing, keep refining. Email marketing isn't just sending emails. It's about reaching the right inbox at the right time with the right message.